Ones I like, the energy ones. They don't have no sugar in them. Yeah. No, the energy ones. Yeah. No, even I believe the cherry ones.
In the grill?
Yep.
The onion?
Yeah.
Okay, I smell it.
Smell the onion?
Yeah.
Barbecue Grill Masters at Food for Less.
Huh?
Said Barbecue Grill Masters at Food for Less.
Right?
Got to make it happen, man.
You know, I was gonna go to New York for cooking, for culinary.
Why you didn't go?
Yeah. How do you know? Yeah.
Why you didn't go?
There's one in Pasadena.
They're going to, but they closed it and then they reopened it. I was gonna go. My dad was gonna pay for it, all full ride.
Why you didn't go, man?
I didn't go.
Yeah.
All right. So
Got scared?
I was scared to go by there by myself because my dad said he would send me a full ride over there, but rent and all that, he's like, bro, that's different.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna support you on that. So I was like,
But at least you paying for school.
that's why I'm going to school.
You know how much the school costs?
The rent is?
Over
I understand. No, get me wrong. I mean,
In New York and North?
yeah, yeah. Either way, everything is gonna be expensive.
Yeah, that's true.
But at least the school is expensive too. Culinary school is very expensive.
How much is it, Mom? Like 65,000?
Give or take, yeah.
And my dad was like, I'll pay for it.
And
there.
you gonna pay that. I mean, it's about the same in rent. You gonna pay for it the whole time you're going there. But I mean, I understand you was scared to go and but also too, if your dad is gonna pay for that, and you got somebody.
Because I've been knowing how to cook since I was like 7.
See that you got an advantage. You got an advantage because you already know how to cook.
Basically. And then,
So are you doing?
I invented from a lot of people middle school. I made stuffed burgers.
Really? Oh, you know what? Culinary school would teach you more so how to do everything else that you don't know how to do. You know what I'm saying?
Like what wines go with what meat.
How to properly do certain things, add salt or pepper or whatever with marinades. It's gonna probably teach you.
Using Himalaya, rock
You know what I'm
salt.
saying? So then you develop your own technique.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? That's what culinary school teaches. The person that already know how to cook, all you doing really is to say, I went to culinary school.
Push, pull.
Right.
Push,
And you just saying, I went to culinary school. And then once you perfect your style of cooking, your style, not nobody, don't be like nobody else. Your style of cooking, that's how you get over it. That's how all these chefs on TV get over it. They perfected their own style.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna run this shit.
Own style of cooking. Burger time. Yeah, I know where I'll be at for lunch. I know where I'll be at for lunch.
I'm gonna tell you what I tell everybody else. Get it right now because it might not be here later.
Okay, sounds right. You're right. Yeah, it might not be around later.
I always tell them the same thing to my sisters. Do it now. Because come later,
How you doing?
okay?
Yep.
I don't need to choke anymore. Or any less, but
Now that's me just standing there and smoke.
that's my burger right there. Shit is huge.
Oh, you already got one picked out.